Hello students, today we are going to start our second unit, Kinematics, part 1. Hi, I am Dheeraj Arora and you are watching my channel DA Academy. First topic is mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with motion of material objects. Mechanics consists of three branches. Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with the motion of the material objects. मतलब कि mechanics में हम पढ़ेंगे different kinds of motion जैसे कि statics, kinematics, dynamics. क्यों? Because mechanics is of three types. Statics, it is the branch of mechanics which deals with study of different objects which are at rest. So kinematics it is a branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion of material objects without taking into account of factors like nature of forces, nature of bodies, etc., which causes motion. Kinematics is derived from the word kinema, which means motion. कुछ एक बुक्स इसको काइना प्लस मैटिक्स भी लिखते हैं. दे से काइना मीन्स मोशन एंड मैटिक्स मीन्स मैथमेटिक्स, जिसमें हम दोनों चीज़ें पढ़ेंगे, मोशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. एंड थर्ड इज डायनामिक्स. डायनामिक्स में हम सारे वो वाले फैक्टर्स लेंगे जो कि मोशन को हेल्प करने में हमारी हेल्प करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेचर ऑफ फोर्सेस, नेचर ऑफ बॉडीज. दैट इज इट इज़ ए ब्रांच ऑफ मैकेनिक्स which deals with the study of objects into account the factors which cause the motion. Then we come to our next topic, which is motion. Motion, it is said to be in a body is said to be in motion which changes its position with respect to time. So we know types of motion. Types of motion सबसे पहला आता है उसमें रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन. वो मोशन जो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में चलता है, उस मोशन को हम कहते हैं रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन और ट्रांसलेटरी मोशन. दूसरा, फॉर एग्जांपल, जैसे एक बस है या एक कार है, वो एक अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस चल रही है या अलोंग वाई एक्सिस चल रही है. सो दैट bus or car will be said to be in rectilinear motion because it is moving in a straight line. Second, we have rotational motion or circular motion. ये उस तरह का मोशन है जिसमें एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन फिक्स्ड रहता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हील ऑफ ए साइकिल यू कैन से, या मोशन ऑफ मैरी गो राउंड. व्हाट इज मैरी गो राउंड? अक्सर आपने मेलों में देखा होगा कि एक झूला होता है जिसमें घोड़े लगे हुए हैं, सीट्स हैं बैठने के लिए. सो एंड व्हेन इट रिवॉल्व्स, सो दैट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड ए फिक्स्ड एक्सिस. और मोशन ऑफ द अर्थ ऑल्सो, यू कैन से दैट अर्थ ऑल्सो रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड ए फिक्स्ड एक्सिस. और मोशन ऑफ ए फैन, वो पंखा जो अपनी छत के ऊपर है, ठीक है, सो उस पंखे की बात, या टेबल फैन ऑल्सो, सो दैट ऑल्सो रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड ए फिक्स्ड एक्सिस. ऑसिलेटरी मोशन, इट इज ए motion in which the body moves to and fro. You must have all have watched clock, wall clock, जिसमें कि पेंडुलम है और that moves moves to and fro with regular interval of time. That is, a body has vibrational motion if it moves to and fro after regular interval of time about a point, that is its mean position. Next, How do we come to know that the body is in motion? That is very much important because we all are uh, on a planet Earth. So if we see each other, we don't come to know that we people are moving. However, we all know that the Earth is moving around a fixed axis. So, for this, we'll come to know how the body is moving. For this, frame of reference is very much important because it is fixed point or place with respect to which the position, velocity, acceleration, etc. of a body is measured. Frame of reference is of three types. One is Cartesian coordinate system, spherical polar coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system. In this chapter, we will discuss only Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate system is of two types. First is inertial frame of reference. What is inertial frame of reference? It is that in which Newton's first law of motion holds good. And what is Newton's first law of motion? Which says that a body is in motion or in rest until and unless an external force is applied on it. For example, also here in this case, a train moving on a horizontal track with constant velocity or earth revolving around the sun. So these are such kind of motion are called inertial frame of reference. Next we move on to non-inertial frame of reference. Non-inertial frame of reference is that in which Newton's first law of motion does not hold good. For example, bus moving on a hilly road or moving merry-go-round. So these kind of motion are non-inertial frame of reference. Second, we move on to distance or path length. This you have already studied in your previous classes also.